Welcome to Hotspankitchen. Today I'm going to make Mango Pachadi. For this Mango Pachadi, I have taken one mango, coconut, about 1 cup of coconut, half a spoon of cummin seeds, half a spoon of mustard seeds, one piece of ginger, two chillies. These are shallots, some shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use the onions, curd, thick curd you will require, and for tempering, shallots, red chilli, and curry leaves. So let us begin. This has no cooking, only grinding, and only the tempering has to be done on the stove. First, let us cut the mangoes. Remove the skin. I have taken out the skin. We'll put this into the grinding jar. Into this, we'll put the two chilies, ginger, coconut, the shallots, if this is big, cut it into small pieces. Half a spoon of jeera or cumin seeds, half a spoon of mustard seeds. Now let us grind this into a fine paste. I have ground the coconut to a fine paste. Let us remove this. Taking this out in a bowl. Let us add curd, and mix it well. I have ground the coconut into a fine paste, adding little water and salt. Now we'll do the tempering. I have taken a small pan, pouring some coconut oil. You can use any oil. Any refined oil will do. Half a spoon of mustard seeds. Now we'll put the shallots cut finely. Let this become little brownish in color. We'll add the red chilli and the curry leaves. And let us pour this into that pachadi. Let us pour this into this pachadi. And our raw mango pachadi is ready. Very tasty, very easy to make, no much cooking, and it is a very good side dish for rice. As Vishu is coming, we can plate this also in the banana leaf. Friends, if you all have liked my recipe, please like, share, and comment. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Take care of yourself, and I'll meet you very soon with another recipe. Thank you so much.